Hey, welcome back everybody. Do you have an older electric range like this that is not baking? Well, as you can see right there in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to replace the bake element. I'm also going to be showing you how to test the bake element. First things first, safety first, put your PPE on. You're going to want your gloves, your glasses, knee pads, unplug the range. Next thing what you're going to want to do is get yourself a Phillips bit for this specific range. It might be something else on yours, but you're going to want to basically take off the back panel to allow you access to the bake element connections. You can see there we've got the terminal block to the plug. We also have the connections for the bake element. I'm going to go ahead and grab my digital multimeter, show you guys how to check the bake element for continuity. We're going to ohm it out, as they say. Now, I did have a previous video where I did this more in depth, but I'm back to replace the bake element, so I figured, hey, why not take the extra minute? For anyone who didn't see that video, I'm going to be showing you how to check your bake element. So say you set your range to bake and it's not glowing, the bottom element isn't glowing. This is what you'd want to do. You'd want to go ahead and check your bake element. And you can see there we've got no continuity. It's not ohming out, it's open, which means that the bake element essentially is faulty. Now what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take out the old bake element, and I'm going to show you what to look out for, because sometimes you can actually see the fault visually. Sometimes it's internal, but a lot of the times you'll actually see like a little melted, corroded looking spot on the old bake element. So yeah, just a visual indicator. If you guys see this, then you're going to know without a doubt that it's faulty. So you've just got a couple screws back there on this specific range, and you pull it through. Now I'm go ahead and I'm inspecting it, and boom, right there, I've already isolated it. It's kind of hard to see, but if you pause, which I'm actually going to freeze frame, and it's going to look like a corroded, melted spot. You can kind of see it there. If you zoom in, you'll be able to see it. I pointed out. And here we have the new one. You may have to bend it a little bit depending on how it was shipped or how it came. You may have to bend it just slightly so that all three of those feet touch the bottom cavity. You just push those leads in through the back, through the firewall, through the oven cavity, through the insulation. Put those screws in. And this process may be different on your range. It's going to be different from model to model, but pretty much all older ranges that look like this, that are electric, have this similar process as long as you can see them. And as you can see there, I have one foot that's elevated, so I'm just kind of adjusting it slightly, bending it just a little bit gently so that way all three of those feet can be down. It's always good to fix right if you can. Alright, we got those. Now I'm going to put the oven racks in and put the back on. You know, I'll be honest with you, for me, I don't have the best memory when it comes to remembering where the oven racks were. So I just kind of evenly space them out, as I'd imagine they came from the factory, just kind of evenly spaced. You know, here's a little bonus for you guys. I'm actually going to show you what it looks like when the bake element does have continuity, when it does ohm out. So I push back that fiberglass insulation, and you can see there that it's not open anymore. It's not OL, it actually ohms out. Now I'm putting the connectors back on, and I'm going to button it up, as they say. Making sure everything's tight. I'm just checking, making sure nothing's loose, nothing's wiggling. I do see that quite a bit where the terminal block will be loose, and it's always good to tighten those. This specific range, you kind of have to push in on those tabs and slide up, and then support it while you screw in. There we go. Slide it back up. And hey, safety first. Those gloves are no joke. All right, because once you start taking appliances apart, there is a lot of rough, unburred, sharp sheet metal and other things. And I've cut myself many times. I actually cut myself in a previous video, or maybe I haven't uploaded it yet, but I cut myself on the video with the KitchenAid downdraft range, and I was wearing plastic gloves, you know, the disposable ones. Alright, so I got it all buttoned up, plugged back in. I'm sliding it back into where it should be, and sometimes, I'll tell you guys, sometimes these will have an anti-tip bracket where you have to slide one of the back feet into, and it can be a little bit tricky to get that foot to slide back in there the way it should. So you may have to, you know, kind of mess with it a little bit. Slide it in, slide it out, jiggle it, get it to slip back in there. Alright, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go ahead, and if you're wondering what that PF was, basically that meant power failure. When the electronic control detects that a power surge happened or the power went out, a lot of the times you'll have that PF error code or blinking clock, and you just hit cancel to get rid of it. What I just did there was set the time, and look at that, it's glowing. I put it on a test bake, and now it is glowing. Hey, thanks everyone for watching. I hope this helped you, and I will see you in the next one. Later.